This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to stop uploading photos to iCloud. So what we want to do simply on our iPad or iPhone is go to settings, go to our name in the top. So once you're under your account, go to iCloud. Now under here we can locate Save to iCloud. We can just go to here, choose iCloud Photos, and you can see it's turned on. Right now it's syncing. Anytime I upload a photo or something like that, I can go to sync now right here too. Now I can decide to download and keep originals before I turn it off. And then I can go to sync this iPad and just remove it. It says cannot download the photos. This iPad was not able to download 138 full resolution photos if you continue low resolutions of these photos. Okay, so you can decide to remove it. Most of the time it will give you the option to go ahead and just save it before you go ahead and do that, but it didn't for me. So we can just turn off sync. So I'm just going to turn this off because I don't want to do everything here. Download photos and videos. Okay, I can do that right here. And I should be able to turn off sync now. Now another way is if it's still not working, you can just back out and go to iCloud Backup, and you can just turn off backup right here. And then you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.